Good morning, student. So today I'm going to discuss about the relational database. In the relational database, the SQL part. So SQL, what you see, let us go to that particular sections. Those are the theoretical part. So we have an advantage and disadvantage. Okay, those you can read. So let us directly go to the different types of implementation of the commands, the basic commands implementation we are doing. See here, what in the database is that we have a primary key, we have a candidate key, we have alternate key, and we have a foreign key. So all these four pattern of keys are there. Different type of key. Primary key means where set of one or more attributes which are uniquely identified. Okay, there is the primary key we do have. See here, the primary key means this is the unique value. Okay, this is the alternate key here, and these two makes a candidate key. Okay, so this is how we can form the primary key, alternate key, candidate key. Those the definition often come. Foreign key. Foreign key means primary key of any table when used in some another table, that will become a foreign key. Okay, so this is how we can find it. The thing will going to work. So SQL, in the SQL part, as we are moving through, we find it that there are the different differences are there. We will discuss them later on. At this moment, what we are discussing about those integer, then small int, number. Okay, those the different types of declarations are there. Date, time, boolean, Ah, row. So all these are there. Character fields are there. So these the different things are there. Now let us do. I have discussed about the create database command. Okay, how to create a database to show the database. That this also has been discussed. After that, use the database. That is also discussed. The use here school. Okay, then what drop means to delete that particular database. Okay, that also we can do. If you write drop database, then the database name, the database will be deleted. Okay, now how to create a table, that I have shown you. Create a roll number, integer, not null you can give, you cannot give not null. Primary key, where name, where can, if you give not null, that not null will going to come, isn't it? Marks, gender. So all these things are there. This way we will going to make it. See, this is the implementation. Now if you want to see the structure, how to see the either describe or DAC that it to be used, and using that we will going to do it. And inserting the values also has been shown to you. Insert into table values, then the what are the values are there, that will be added there. Okay, so those the values are added there. See here, insert into student. In this way you also you can do insert into student. First you write the column name. Okay, roll number, name, gender, marks, DOB, then values. Then you can write what are the values there. Okay, so this way also you can insert the value in a table. So after that, we need to do some of the mathematical calculation or arithmetical calculation. Delete and all, we will come truncate. All the thing truncate means, what is truncate means? Truncate command used to delete all the rows that you have in a table and you are specifying it. Okay, so this is the thing what we find it, that we will going to describe these things. We will going to use these things. So alter table, drop table means to delete the table. So let us do some queries from it. Okay, so queries from it means what the query that we want to do. We want to do the addition. We want to do the arithmetic query. Some of the arithmetic query that we need to implement there. Okay, some of the arithmetic query. Distinct means select distinct stream from student. If you give it distinct, what is the distinct stream you want to do, that will be selected. Okay, so some of the arithmetic queries that we need to do. So suppose those the arithmetic query, how we can do it, how we can implement the arithmetic query. So let us see that how we can implement that. So student, you see here, there is one table I have taken. You know how to take it from employee. I have taken a table, and those the values has been entered here. So what are the values has been entered here? Employee ID, employee name, address, salary, and designation. So some of the designation has given noun, some of the salary also has given now. So if I want to see those people stay in Delhi, what I will going to do? Select what? Select employee ID, EMPID, comma, then EMPNAME name. Okay, EMP name, then suppose address, comma, salary, salary from where employee, where what? Address, address equals to, then within a single inverted comma we will write the place name, suppose Noida. Okay, so NOIGA, Noida. So this is the place name we have given, and then you give enter. You see that the salary of those person will be shown to us. Now one question is there to do the summation. Okay, so to do the summation, how to do the summation? Now suppose what we are saying that we want to add the particular salary. How to add the salary? What we will do? We will write select what? Select sum. Sum of what? Sum of salary. Okay, sum of salary from where? Employee. Okay, then semicolon. Then you give enter C. The total sum came. Now suppose you want to give some condition. Suppose those the persons who are staying at Delhi, their total you want to see. So how to see their total? So select sum of what? Salary, SALARY, salary from employee, where what? Where address equals to what? Address equals to Delhi, LHI. Okay, Delhi, then semicolon, then enter. See here, those the person who are staying at Delhi, their total has been done and their total has been created. Okay, so suppose you want to increase means what? Suppose you want to increase the salary by 200 rupees. Okay, so increase means update what you need to update? You need to update the particular table. Okay, you need to update the particular table. So how to do that? Now how to do that? We said update what you need to update? You need to update the table. So update employee. Okay, set salary, equals to, now what we want to do with the salary, suppose salary plus we want to give 20% salary into 20% of salary. So SALARY, salary into 20 divided by 100. Okay, update the table name, set salary equals to salary plus this. So let us see how it is working, what it is doing. That means all has been affected. So let us see the table. Let us see the table. See here the previous value. What was the previous value? Those are the previous value. So previous value now has been increased. See 55, then 68, 10, 68, 78. So all these things are the values that has been done. How we have increased the thing? This way you have to do. That means you have to increase the thing, increase the value by of the salary in this way. That means any pattern of arithmetical calculation we can do in this way. Now suppose I want to see the average of the salary. So what we will going to do? What we will going to do? We will going to write select, then what to select? Average of what? Salary. Now from where? From LOYEE, employee. Okay, from employee. So from employee you have to do the things. Now how to do it? There from employee. So semicolon, enter. See, function average does not exist. So average, this particular function, if you write in this way, this particular function will not going to work in this particular manner. Okay. So we have to write what? Select. Let us see the another format. Okay. Averages of what? Salary from this particular one. Okay, so if you write average will not work in this way. You have to write avg. Okay, so if you want to see the maximum value, how to see the maximum value? So select max, then from where? From salary, from the salary column, from employee. Okay, from employee we want to see what is the maximum value. See, this is the maximum value. So this is how we can do our different type of mathematical work. Okay,